Hi students, welcome to my channel Learn with GBR Vlogs. In the previous video, we have learnt the few problems about exercise 7.4 fractions, class 6 maths. Now in this video, we have discussed the remaining problems about exercise 7.4. Now let us see the sixth question. That is, the following fractions represent just three different numbers. Separate them into three groups of equivalent fractions by changing each one to its simplest form. Now, all the different fractions represents only three different numbers. So, then by changing each one its simplest form, so we should subtract them. Now, first A1, 2 by 12. 2 by 12. So, if you write the equivalent fraction of 2 by 12, so both denominator and numerator we divided by 2. Then we get here 2 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2. Then we get 2 by 2 it is 1, 12 by 2 is 6. We get 1 by 6. Next, 3 by 5. If you write the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5, so both we denominator and numerator we divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 by 15 divided by 3. Then we get 3 by 3 it is 1, 15 by 3 is 5. We get 1 by 5 from this. Now 8 by 50. Here 8 by 50, if you write it is in simplest form, we both numerator and denominator divided by 2. That is 8 divided by 2 and 50 is divided by 2. Then we get 8 divided by 2 it is 4. 50 divided by 2 it is 25. We get 4 by 25. Next, 16 by 100. If you write 16 by 100 in the simplest form, so you write in the equivalent fraction of 16 by 100. So both numerator and denominator divided by 4. 16 by 4, 100 by 4. We get 4. 16 by 4 it is equal to 4. 100 by 4 it is equal to 25. Okay. Next 10 by 60. 10 by 60. So if you write the equivalent fraction of 10 by 60, so both numerator and denominator divided by 10. Divided by 10. 60 divided by 10. 10 by 10 it is equal to 1. 60 by 10 it is equal to 6. 10 by 60 it is equivalent fraction of 1 by 6. Okay. Next, 15 by 75. In this 15 by 75, we both numerator and denominator divided by with 15. 15 by 15 and 75 by 15. 15 by 15 we get 1. 75 by 15 it is equal to 5. Okay. Next, 12 by 60. 12 by 60. Here also we both divide by numerator and denominator by 12. 12 by 12 and 60 by 12. We get 12 by 12 it is equal to 1. 60 by 12 it is equal to 5. 12 5 is 60. That is equal to 1 by 5. And next one, 16 by 96. In this 16 by 96, we divide by 16. Both numerator and denominator. 16 by 16 and the denominator 96 by 16. 16 by 16 it is equal to 1. 96 by 16 it is equal to 6. 16 16 is 96. So we get 1 by 6. And next one, 12 by 75. In this In this, we divided by numerator and denominator by 3. 12 by 3 and the denominator 75 by 3. 12 by 3, it is equal to 4 and 75 by 3. 3 2 is 6, 1 5, 3 5 is 25. Then we get 4 by 25. Next, 12 by 72. In this, both numerator and denominator divided by 12. 12 by 12 and the denominator 72 by 12. 12 by 12 it is equal to 1. 72 by 12 it is equal to 6. 12 6 is 72. Okay. Next, in this 3 by 18. Here also we divided by 3. Numerator and denominator. 3 by 3 and denominator 18 by 3. We get 1 by 6. 3 6 is 18. So, we get 1 by 6 in this. And the next one, so already it is in the simplest form. Okay. Now, totally there are 3 groups of equivalent fractions. That is 1 by 6, 1 by 5 and 4 by 25. 1 by 6 is A1, E1, H, J and K. 1 by 5 is B, F and G1. Next, 4 by 25 is C, D, I and also L. Okay. Now next. Now we will see the 7th question. That is, find answers to the following. Write and indicate how you solved them. A1. Is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5? B1 is 4 by 5 equal to 16 by 20? Now let us see the A1. Is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5? So, when you compare the both fractions, either the denominators are not equal and numerators are also not equal. So, first let us make the denominators are equal. So, we will do LCM of this denominators. Here LCM of 9 and 5. So, here LCM of 9 and 5 is 9 5 is 45. So, then 5 by 9 can be written as, to make the denominator as 45. So, the 9 should be multiplied by 5. So, even the numerator also multiplied by 5. So, then we get 5 by 9 it is equal to 5 into 5 and also 9 into 5. 5 5 is 25, 9 5 is 45. We get 25 by 45. Next, so to make the denominator 45, we should be multiplied by 9. So, even though numerator also multiplied by 9. In this 4 by 5 it is equal to 4 into 9 by 5 into 9. 4 9s 36, 5 9s 45. We get 36 by 45. Here these two denominators are equal. So, here both denominators are equal and numerators are not equal. So, we can say that no. Is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5? No. 5 by 9 is not equal to 4 by 5. Okay? No. Next, B1. Is 4 by 5 equal to 16 by 20? Now, 4 by 5 is also in the simplest form. 4 by 5 it is equal to 4 by 5. Now, if you write 16 by 20 in the simplest form. Now, if you both numerator and denominator is divided by 4, that is 16 by 4 it is equal to 20 by 4. It is equal to 16 by 4 it is equal to 4 and 20 by 4 it is equal to 5. We get 4 by 5. Now here also 4 by 5, here also 4 by 5. In this numerators are also equal and also denominator also equal. So is 4 by 5 equal to 16 by 20? Yes. Yes. These two fractions are equal. So 4 by 5 equal to 4 by 5 and 4 by 5 equal to 16 by 20. 4 by 5 it is equal to 16 by 20. Now let us see the 8th question. That is, Ela read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Lalita read 25 by 5 of the same book. Who read less? So here the first person Ela. Ela read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages and Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same book. Means here total number of pages of a book has 100 pages and Lalita read here 2 by 5. Same book means book contains 100 pages. 2 by 5 into 100. 5 2s 5 0. 20 2s 40 pages. Okay, Lalita read 40 pages and here given Ela read 25 pages. Now you compare 25 and 40. Here 25 is less than 40. So Ela read less than Lalita. Ela read less than Lalita. Now next. Now let us see the 9th question. Rafiq exercised for 3 by 6 of an hour, while Rohit exercised for 3 by 4 of an hour. Who exercised for a longer time? Now Rafi's exercise is 3 by 6 of an hour. Rohit exercised 3 by 4 of an hour. Now 3 by 6 and 3 by 4, these are numerators same but denominators are not equal. Now convert these into like fractions. First, in this 3 by 6, both numerator and denominator we multiply by 2. That is 3 by 6 it is equal to 3 into 2 by 6 into 2. Then we get 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Next 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Here also we both denominator and numerator multiply by 3. That is 3 by 4 it is equal to 3 into 3 by denominator 4 into 3. 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. Clearly 9 by 12, here 6 by 12. Here 9, here denominators are both equal. So we compare the numerators 9 and 16. So here clearly we know 9 is greater than 6. So 9 by 12 is greater than 6 by 12. That is 3 by 4 is greater than 3 by 6. Okay. Now who? Rohit. Rohit exercised for a longer time than Rafiq. Rohit exercised for a longer time than Rafiq. Next we will see the 10th question. That is, in a class A, 25 students. In this 20 passed with 60% or more marks. In another class B of 30 students, 24 passed with 60 or more marks. In which class was a greater fraction of students getting with 60% or more marks? Okay, now we will find that. Now solution. First, total number of students in class A, that is 25 students. Now students passed in first class in class A, that is 20. Hence the fraction is 20 by 25. That is we will write in simplest form, that is 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 4 by 5. Next, the total number of students in class B, that is 30 students. Now the students passed in first class in class B, that is 24. Hence the fraction is 24 passed students by total number of students, that is 60. In this 6 4s are 34, 6 5s are 30. So here 4 by 5 and also in class A also 4 by 4. So now an equal fraction of students passed in first class in both the classes, means class A and class B. Okay? Okay students? Okay. If you like this video, like, share and comment. If you want more videos, you subscribe my channel. Thank you students. Thank you. Thank you for watching.